Welcome to a brief introduction of your LexisNexis Newsdesk trial account. This video will be the first in a series of training guides to help you bring you up to speed on using LexisNexis Newsdesk. In this first session, we will conduct a brief overview of what your trial account includes, as well as a quick overview of the dashboard view. Your Newsdesk account is configured around several hundred thousand online news and social media sources of content. We will review the breakdown of this content in a separate session, or you can refer to your Quick Start Guide for more details on these sources. Your Newsdesk account will be broken into 4 areas: the dashboard, which we will cover in this session, searching, analytics, and sharing the results of those searches and analytics you create. Each account will provide one personal dashboard and one shared dashboard that will be seen if you have more than one user configured for your trial account. Each trial account will also have one alert and one newsletter for sharing up to 10 searches or feeds with other users. More details on configuring these options will be included in the video on creating alerts and newsletters. Your Newsdesk trial has been pre-configured with search templates here on the left. The next session will cover these in detail, but for now, know that these are common read-only templates that you can use to get familiar with how Newsdesk works. You also have a personal area, My Content, that you will only be able to see. In this area, you can organize your searches by creating folders, as you see here. If you would like to make a copy of one of the read-only templates, you can simply click and drag the search you want into the My Content area. This will create a separate copy of the search in your area, which you can rename or edit and not affect the shared template search. As with the searches, there are 2 dashboards in your account: a pre-configured shared dashboard, which contains video widgets, and analytics based on template searches, as well as a personal dashboard. Through a simple drag and drop method, you can add content to your dashboard from either the shared content or My Content space. You can add content to your dashboard in either one. Once on your dashboard, you can organize it however you would like by clicking and dragging on the title of the box you want to move and dragging it to a new location. We hope you have found this overview of your LexisNexis Newsdesk account helpful. For additional questions about this tool, please reference the additional training videos and the help guide, which can be found by clicking the menu under your name, or call our client service support number. Thank you.